Instead too. Alright, let's see if we can do this before we run out of power. Welcome back, everyone. I've been back for a while now, editing on videos for a while. Mainly because I can, I guess. Yeah, anyhow, sidetrack. I'm trying to get some stuff done on the ambulance. Mainly, it hasn't been done for a while. I've been procrastinating on it because of supply chain issues. I have, well, I built the space, my tub space, for a 3 foot by 2 foot by 2 foot, which that is 2 foot tall, 2 foot wide, and 3 foot long cattle trough, which goes right there. However, supply chain issues. And I know they make one like it because we have one in the garden that has asparagus in it that would work perfectly for the space, so I figured I could get some. However, that being said, they don't make them that size. It's around about that size, and I'd like it to be that size. So I've been procrastinating on doing it because I wanted that size. So I was hoping maybe supply chains would catch up. However, it does not look like that's going to happen. So I'll show you out here in a second what I'm working on for the tub / shower. Also, it would be nice to get this side of the rig done. I have been doing some electrical down in the basement area, the sub-basement area. Water system seems to be working. I don't see any leaks there. This is going to be a shelf here, couch, homemade couch in here. I'm not going to end up buying one. It's just everything's expensive, and then get this done over here. And hopefully with the new tub, we can still use the back doors to open it up. I've been running off of solar for the last 5 days, running the air conditioner 24/7. However, I do not actually have enough. I do not actually have enough power to run that thing 24/7 down to 70. And yes, I am in work clothes today. It will get changed. But I can run it for most of the time, but it's a slow decrease in power. I have recently added another 200 watts to my solar system, trying to keep up with it. Right now I'm roughly getting 5 full hours of sunlight, mainly because of the position of where I'm parked at to do work on it. So about 4 o'clock my sunlight cuts off, so I've been using it as a wintertime test. If I parked it out in the field and where I could get full sun, or if, like when I was in the desert, I'd get full sun, I should have plenty of power to run them both. Also, if I was in a cooler climate, the air conditioner wouldn't matter. So anyhow, I'll show you what I got for the tub. Ooh, that's bright. Alright. There we go. Here. So I got a oak barrel. I think it'll work. I'm gonna have to fiberglass inside of it for it to hold water. I'm starting the top cut up here and cutting off the top of it, and then I'm gonna play with the width of it with water and then drop in a drain line, and that will be my bathtub here in a bit. Also some wood to finish up shelves. And yeah, this was a mistake. I mean, it was a thing. I went to a estate sale. I thought, ooh, boat. I can get a title for it really easy. Which supposedly I can. I've just kind of gave up hope on it. I was waiting on some supply chain issues, aka the tub. So I was like, oh, I'll get a boat and mess with it. Maybe it'll go with me. But this thing needs way more work. So I think what I'm probably going to end up doing is stripping it down, selling it for the aluminum price. Which is a shame. It's a 1950 something. Genco or something like that, but I don't want to deal with the title stuff, and I can use the trailer for B stuff. A few things have changed, a few things haven't changed, but oh hey, let's see if we have enough power to do this. I'll show you this. I've been working on other stuff around the property that I said I'd get done before I left, and as you can tell, I have a new mic. It is ran separate audio, so it adds a little bit more to the editing process, among other things, but boy, sure does kill the wind noise. Makes it a lot more pleasurable to record. So this is that big blue thing is our trash container. It goes with the other things that we've been doing on the property. We used to have a big giant storage shed here, and it was one of the things that was on the chopping block. So between getting all the stuff out of it, which still needs to be gone through, but we doubled the size of the garden for Mom and Dad, and then us maybe if we're here whenever we need to be in it, but Mom and Dad help them out whenever I can. So we've doubled the space. Took quite the doing to do. Sorry, I've been overheated today, so I'm limited on how much I spend outside. But we are kind of halfway in the middle of getting this done. This was a salvaged greenhouse that we got from the gardeners here. They got a new one and they're going to throw it away, so we took it so we can put it up. Another present for Mom. Mother's Day gift, among other things. Garden's doing pretty good. It's a little bit too hot to be out here though. And then the sea. Sorry, I got hair in my mouth. So the lot is the lot. I don't know how much I want to say right now about it. I don't like mentioning politics on my channel because really there's more to do. But we're almost ready to... There's more to see than stupid politics. But, well, I'll tell you about it if something happens. I've been trying to get stuff done around here. The ambulance is pretty much ready to go. Other than I want to get a working tub and a couch in there. Some other things. What the heck is that? There's a big bird flying over here, so... Let's see. Alright, for some reason I am stuck on no power there. The lot property transition's looking good. This all happened before I left to Colorado. My friend wants to get into beekeeping. She wants to try to make a living out of it, so I've been trying to help her do the bees, help her learn. We did split on this hive. We should have a queen in that hive there. We don't know if we do. That one, we think we got our bees figured out because they filled up both boxes with honey and brood, and then early spring happened and they said, nope, we're not doing no more. And we think we figured out the queen type by the actions, and basically if they have honey in the hive, they don't work. They get lazy. Can't say I don't blame them. I get lazy too whenever I don't have to, got everything done. Looks really good down here. Something big fell in here last night. Anyhow, back to the bees. They get lazy and they won't produce anything more. And we think we can get another split off them before the end of the year and give us bees next year, whether we have the bees here or elsewhere. We're aiming for maybe 100 hives, and I can come back and help her work on those in the summer. And in the wintertime, you don't really do much with them. So that's also a possibility. It's just kind of long-term plans. I like doing raw honey. I like playing with bees. I've gotten stung 3 times lately. Still looking for what fell last night. Was out late last night and something went thump, and you could hear it crack. So I'm looking for a big tree branch that fell out. Maybe that one? That looks like it's grown up. No, it's underneath all that. So I suspect there's some sort of big tree branch in here. I heard the crack and then the thud. Anyhow, so I am getting tired of sitting still. I am enjoying doing the work here while I'm here. I get some work for some friends elsewhere. and maybe help them build their house if they want, or whatever, whenever I'm there. So I'm trying to get all these projects done because I'm tired of the heat. Really, really tired of the heat. And I keep getting overheated every day. But at this point, we still have the antenna to finish building, which I gotta get done sooner rather than later because I got the renewal notice for my tank for my welder. And I'm not gonna renew it. I might look at buying me another tank later on, but I'm not gonna renew the lease. No point. It costs money. And then shocks need to be done. Front and rear, I got the shocks. I'm gonna have to pay someone to do it for me. I just don't have the strength to do it anymore. The heat just kicks my butt. Sorry for holding it so close to me. Still use 360 camera with a really wide angle. Yeah, the couch, the shelf, and the bathtub has to be done. I'm probably just gonna epoxy it. And then, yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So there's some bumper adjustments and some other stuff. And finish moving some stuff in, but for the most part, I'm done with it. I'm burnt out on working on it. Or maybe it's just I'm overheated on working on it. So that could be too. That's kind of the update that's going on right now. I keep hoping some of my packages will show up, but I don't know. I can't hold the camera straight at all. So there's that. So, yeah. Alright, well, this is a quick update. It turned to be a little bit longer the update than I planned it to be, but yeah. Oh yeah, I need to fix that thing. There. That fell off. And, oh hey, yeah. I got my air conditioner working inside the cab. And I'm probably not going to do the oil filter on some of that. And I got to finish building a little box here for drinks and such going down the road. So, air conditioner, that done, everything done. Oh yeah, I need to get a queen bed because I think my friend might travel with me some more. So, golly, I can't hold this thing straight. It must be gay. Okay, anyhow, so get my friend to travel with me. It'd be fun to have if she can get some time off between jobs or traveling or whenever she wears herself out at her current job. Because, anyhow. Well, I will see you all later, and hopefully I will bring more actual videos of me doing and traveling and other stuff. Yeah. Alright. Bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And welcome yeah, I can't talk. Welcome to Purple Perception channel. Yeah. I need to do the video about why I sold the bus and got this. So that'll be coming out soon too, I'm sure.